Hello and welcome to Democracy 101 in 5. I am Samson Itodo. As always, this show focuses on your power and your rights as a citizen of this great country called Nigeria. And we also focus on how democracy can work for you. So Democracy 101 in 5 is an initiative of Yaga Africa with the support of FCDO. Today I ask, how do you access legal aid to enforce your rights as a citizen? That's our topic for this episode. We posed this question to some Nigerians. Please listen to their fabulous responses.
The court of law is the hope of the common man.
First of all, in any case like this, I will first of all report the case to the police station. Then I will further have my lawyer.
We go to the court of law and we can also involve a legal practitioner.
I think the first thing I will do, I will go to the police, report the matter to the police, and make sure that the person is arrested by the police and taken to the police station.
It's always interesting speaking to Nigerians on the street. As always, the Constitution is our guide, so Section 36 sub 1 states that every person shall be entitled to fair hearing within a reasonable time by a court or other tribunal established by law. It emphasizes the importance of independence and impartiality in the constitution of these tribunals. Still, on the protection of your rights as a citizen, same Section 36 sub 5 of the Constitution ensures the presumption of innocence until you're proven guilty. So subsection 6 of that section outlines conditions to ensure treatment of individuals charged with offenses, including being informed of the nature of offense, adequate time for you to prepare your defense, and the right to legal representation, including interpretation services in the course of trial. But what if you can't afford legal representation? Section 46 of the Constitution comes to the rescue because that section provides for legal aid. So subsection 1 allows any person who believes their rights under the Constitution are being violated to apply to a high court for redress. The Constitution, subsection 4, also empowers the National Assembly to provide financial assistance and legal aid to indigent citizens. So do you even know about the Nigeria's Legal Aid Council? The council exists and it's mandated to provide free legal assistance and representation, free legal advice, as well as alternative dispute resolution to indigent Nigerians in conflict with the law to enhance access to justice in Nigeria. So you can get legal aid if you are a person without income, or if your income falls below the national minimum wage or other sum as may be prescribed by the National Assembly. Legal aid can also be granted on a contributory basis to any person whose income exceeds the national minimum wage. So applications for legal aid are available free of charge at any of the council offices nationwide, including the headquarters in Abuja, or notable police stations and the court. It will also interest you to know that private legal practitioners can refer applicants for legal assistance to the council. So when an accused person is standing trial, the judge, on being satisfied that the applicant is unable to afford the service of a private legal practitioner, shall make recommendations to the council through the issuance of what is called Defense Certificate for the grant of legal aid. So accessing legal aid ensures that every citizen of Nigeria, regardless of their financial status, can enforce their rights as guaranteed by the Constitution. Because remember, justice should be accessible to all. And that's a cardinal principle of democracy. So now you know what is the Legal Aid Council and how you can access legal aid to enforce your rights. That's Democracy 101 in 5. We would love to hear from you, and you can suggest topics to us on this show. You can also reach us via all our social media platforms as displayed on the screen. You can also watch this episode and previous episode on our YouTube channel at Yaga Africa 1. So thank you for watching. I am Samson Itodo. Until I see you next time, where we provide more insight into our Constitution and our democratic process. Remember, You've got the power to make democracy work for you. Please use it wisely. Bye for now.